How do you get it in?
You're doing right.
And there's a quick start guide. Okay, step 1, on the machine.
Okay.
Attach the conversation plate on top of the Z axis. Where's the conversation plate? This is this it? Is this a conversation plate?
Conversation or conversion? Conversion.
Ah, is it a conversion?
Okay, so.
Is this the conversion?
Yeah, I mean, based on your picture, yes.
Now, turn off the machine before assembly. It's already turned off.
It goes upside down.
Why?
Well, that's a screw hole to a match.
What does it show? 10. Hex socket head screw.
10. So that says M410.
Okay. We only need 4 of these.
Okay, you pop it up on the Snapmaker.
There's lots. How does it do that?
Okay, so we'll take the little bottom plate thing off, which must be for something
if it's pressed when it's not connected, what would happen?
I'm guessing nothing. Okay, do you want to screw it in?
Can you?
Can you get the screw hole, the hex one?
Are all 4 in here?
There should be.
As you see, this is the screwdriver from last video when you have the 3D printer. Okay, which one do we need?
The hex. We should have, so hex being 6 sides.
As you see, there's 3 hexes in here. There's 3 hexagon ones. You just take the biggest one, and the other one is a screwdriver one. I don't really know what the other one is. It's 4 bits. Okay.
Right. So we've got 2 screws already in there. That's it.
Now we're just screwing in.
So we need to put 4 in. So that's the first one.
Whoops. Second, is there any more?
Other way. Clockwise. So you need another 2.
Okay.
Okay, so what's the next step? Put the 4 screws on now.
2. Right. The step 2, we need 4 of the big ones. 4 of the big screws. I'm pretty sure it's the only time we will use. There. You put this on carefully so it doesn't do emergency stop.
We go that way.
And now
Oh,
these.
it doesn't really. Which way the holes fit? So I'm going to put it on.
1, 2, 3. I'm pretty sure it's here. Is
Cool.
it right there? Does it plug into right there?
1, 2, 3. That one there. Does it have? It says add-on 3. Is that what it says? Put it into add-on 3.
Add-on 3.
Okay. Okay. Here you go.
So this push in.
You don't pull that out. Just in the back there.
Do they push in?
Yeah, they do. They just click in.
How does this show it? These look exactly the same. Do you put any bit to any bit?
I believe so. Do they look the same on the inside?
Exactly.
Okay, that should be any bit to any bit.
Add-on 3. Now we've got it.
Now we have an emergency stop button. Turn it to go off, push it to go down. Turn it to go back to normal, push down. So if anything goes wrong down here, what do? Excellent.
And then to start it again, I think you just do that to make
Just
it
do a little turn clockwise.